I got my cordless vacuum cleaner from Insay, and this device is well designed and very easy to assemble and disassemble, making cleaning effortless and highly convenient. Can capture pet hairs, cereals, and dirt, whether on carpet or floors, sofa, or furniture. The LED light is bright for easy cleaning even in the dark and allowing you to move freely without being tethered with a power
Comes
outlet.
with versatile attachments, make it easy to clean every nook and cranny, and has 6-stage filtration system which captures 99.9% of fine dust, and the dust cup is very easy to empty and clean, and the HEPA is recyclable.